Howdy campers, welcome back to another taste testing. This time we're at, let's see where the heck we're at. Oh, there it is. Heffy's Hot Dogs and More in Mount Prospect. So what did I get from the hot dog place? Let's take a look. That's right, it's a hot dog. It's a Chicago dog. You see, it's got the pickle, maters, a sport pepper, and neon green relish. And side of fries. That's a heaping bag of fries, let me tell you. And let's try. Those are good fries. Hold on. Okay, this worked last time, balancing you. Stick the receipt in my pocket. Balancing you on the steering wheel. Don't move. So the fries. The fries were well seasoned. Almost undercooked, but cooked just enough. Got the crisp. I hate the little floppy fries. Good fries. May even be home cut. So, where did I say I was? Heffy's. Less than $10. I got this big Chicago dog, huge thing of fries, and a Coke. Well, actually tea, a drink. So that's not a bad deal. Let me see if I can actually manage to pick up the dog. I'm trying. Give me a minute. This is a hole-in-the-wall place, and I always look for the hole in the wall. I usually have the best food at the best price. The only thing about chains is consistency. You know what you're gonna get most of the time. Anyway, cheers. Okay, that's really good. There's many hot dog places around Chicagoland that are more famous, but this holds up to any of them. The bun is super soft. It's got the poppy seeds. Everything is yummy. I really like it. It's got to have celery salt too. That's an important part of a Chicago dog. Let's give one more. Make sure we're not mistaken here. Okay. It's an awesome dog. It also had fresh hamburgers, gyros, Italian beef, all the usual suspects at a Chicago hole-in-the-wall joint. And I could see myself working my way through the menu. Really good. Like I said, the fries are thumbs up. This is an excellent dog. It's a 5-star dog. Anyway, that's what we've got. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.